Hedy. I am the Big Cheese, founder of San Francisco-based travel gift card, mytab.co. Today we're going to talk about all the fun stuff of doing all different little images on Facebook. We're going to do football symbols, but I'm going to include a few more. These are called emoticons. I've been calling them emotions and emotions probably for about 3 years, and because I speak so quickly, people have just let me get away with it. But remember, it's called emoticon, the last part of the syllable, C-O-N. So we're going to get started. I'm going to show you how to do the football symbol on your Facebook status, and a few new ones that, perfect timing, have just come out from Facebook themselves. So let's get going. This is actually a really, really cool thing to do. So what we're going to do is you're going to do this in your Facebook status. I just saw like a free code source where you can basically drag and drop, highlight the symbol from any website and then copy and paste it, say from hotsymbols.com. And then say, hey, football rocks, obviously British style, and then you can post it out. That's what it looks like. It's a bit more like a rugby ball, but you get the drift. Facebook recently came out with, literally in the last few days, this is October 2012, all different smiley faces and hearts in your friends' comments. It's taken them a while to be able to get the emoticons, but now they're doing it. So this is examples. You've got a heart, and you've got smiles, and you've got sunglasses. We're going to grab the heart one just now, and you'll see how it translates. There is one about penguins, which I do love. So I've copied and pasted the arrow and the 3, and I click on post. And hey ho, look at this little thing, a little black heart. So you can start playing around with a few of these. These personally drive me a bit nuts, but I'm okay about other people using them on my feeds and on my status updates. You can do ones with penguins. Now the penguin one, some of them they work and some of them they don't. This one will end up coming out exactly the way that I posted it. It looks like a penguin to the left, more like the beak. So remember, when you want to do something like a football symbol, just Google search football symbol. You can start creating it yourself, but it's just difficult to do. Go to something like hop symbols. I'll go onto Facebook's own, just type in Facebook emoticon, and they've got a bunch of them down there. You can copy and you can paste. So you know what I do sometimes? I just find a friend who has just basically posted one recently. I copy and paste her heart or image, and I post it in my own status updates, and nobody knows and nobody cares. So that's how you can start using fun imagery within Facebook, and Facebook is now heavily supporting this. So you're in the right time, at the right place, using Facebook for images. My name's Hedy. I am the Big Cheese, founder of travel gift card, San Francisco-based mytab.co. Have a brilliant day.